welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going through a few of my recent favourite items. So there's everything from, blush to moisturiser to foundation, lip products, and even some body mist. So if you want to stick around and see what I'm loving at the moment, then continue watching. My first favourite product, which I've been loving for quite a long time, is the Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream. So this is a moisturiser, but it's got some fancy ingredients in it. Like it says, it's got active hydro mesh technology, infuses skin with 48 hours of continuous moisture, which this is so good. When I use this and in conjunction with some of their other skincare, it just leaves my skin so clear. I haven't used anything that is as good as this cream before. It's, as you can see, I'm almost done. It's nearly gone, so I will definitely be picking up another one of these when I'm finished. So yeah, I've been loving that one. So let me just stick on sort of skincare sort of item, not sort of skincare, but this is a new product from Skinny Tan. This is from their new face range. So this is their daily Super Glow highlighting serum. So this adds luminosity and shine to your skin. So it just comes in a little squeezy tube like this. This is it here. So let me just see if I can swatch it for you guys. It's a nice like bronzy. So yeah, look. A serum you add to your face just to add a little bit of night, and it makes your skin look really bright and radiant, and it's lovely. It's a universal shade as well, so it's suitable for any skin tone, and it's got aloe vera in as well, which is really cooling on the skin. It's really good for your skin, aloe vera. It's got so many great properties to it. So the next product, which I've been loving, I've been really into sort of lip glosses at the moment. So this is a lip elixir from the brand Ihoras. So they're an Australian brand. So this is the lip elixir. It comes in this super cute little bottle. So as you can probably see, it's like a nude pinky shade, but has got iridescent sort of, put it up close. So there, look, the iridescent shine, and it's just so gorgeous. So it comes with a little dough foot like that. So let's see if I can swatch it. I don't know if that's going to pick up. You can see the shine. It's so gorgeous. It's such a natural colour. It looks great on its own or over an existing lipstick. Yeah, I've been really loving that at the moment. I've been really enjoying wearing lip glosses just on their own. It's just such like a nice natural look, isn't it? Just having nice glossy lips. This is a really good one. I really highly recommend picking this one up. So my next item is from a brand called Mira Hills. So I believe these are another Australian brand. So this is a blush highlighter. So there it is there, gorgeous marble. It's a baked product, so it's going to last forever basically. It says it's a highlighter, but for me it's a bit too dark for my skin. As you can see, I'm ghostly pale, so I use this as a blush, and it gives me a lovely bit of luminosity to my skin. It just adds that gorgeous flush of colour. Yeah, and it's just a really nice everyday blush. Don't know if I'll be able to swatch it on. It's there, so you can see a little bit of shine. It's really pretty, just really nice natural shine to the skin. And this is vegan and cruelty free as well. So the next thing I have been loving recently is from a brand called Nude by Nature. So these are another Australian brand. It seems to be the majority of the brands here are from Australia, but they do some really freaking good like skincare and makeup, especially on the organic side of things, and this is one of them. This is their palette, which is called the Natural Wonders Eye Palette, and this is so gorgeous. And the packaging alone, I'm probably it's covered in fingerprints. It's so hard to get them off, but yeah, it's like a gorgeous rose gold chrome. So inside here are the shades. So it's actually, the palette is inspired by the colours of Australia, so sand, sea, blue skies, I guess, and you can totally see the vibes in there. So it's just a mixture of mattes and shimmers, and I love that blue in it. It's so unique, it's really bright and vibrant. They're really pigmented as well, and you can use this for both day and night. You add a pop of blue to your under eye with like a nice taupe colour on your lid. It's just really good all round, great palette. So the next item is a brand new product from Mina. So these are another cruelty-free and vegan brand. So this is their brand new 24-hour foundation. So that's it there, comes in a gorgeous glass bottle. So this, as I said, is a brand new product out. They only released it a couple of weeks ago. They very kindly sent it to me in PR. So this claims to last for 24 hours. So I haven't actually tested it out for 24 hours, so maybe I will do that. So this is in the shade 606, which is the second lightest, and I'll just give you guys a swatch there just to show the shade. So that is the shade 606 there, and that works really well for my skin tone. So if you've got sort of a similar skin tone to myself, then that is a really good one. So it is it's not full coverage on me, but it's a really good medium coverage. It covers everything I need it to. I'm not really a full coverage kind of person, because I feel like, for me personally, it leaves my skin quite cakey. So I really like that sort of in between. It gives me good coverage, but still it looks like skin and it looks natural. So that is a really good one. I really highly recommend picking that up. And I think you can find Mina on their website. I'll leave, like I do in all my videos, I leave everything in the description box below so you can go and check them all out. But the next item is a product from So this is one of their new body mists. So this is called Dubai Elixir. So I've actually got a few of these. This one is my current favourite. I was just going through one that was called Toffee Apple or something like that, which was just ridiculously delicious. So this is my new one I've got on the go. So this smells so tropical and fresh. Yeah, it's just really nice, easy to wear fragrance throughout the day. It lasts ages, it doesn't wear off very quickly, and yeah, I love the bottle as well. It's really cute. So they've got lots of different scents in this range, so you can pick these up from Superdrug as well, really easily accessible. So the last item that I have been loving is from the brand Furless. So this is another sort of cruelty-free and vegan brand. So this is the packaging. So this is an eyeshadow pigment. So it's a really elaborate packaging, but it's absolutely stunning. So this is in the shade Immoral, which is absolutely stunning purple sort of duochrome. I'm trying to get it carefully out of the pot because I don't want to spill it everywhere again like I did with the pigment the other day. So I'm just going to carefully, I'm going to try and swatch it for you guys. So I'll pop a bit on my finger first to show you what it looks like. So yeah, so this is the shade Immoral. So gorgeous purple shade. So I'll just try and swatch it on my hand for you guys there to see. I'll turn the lighting down a little bit actually, just so I can show you guys the shift of this. So there is the eyeshadow there on my finger, and there it is there on my hand. So you can see the gorgeous shift of that on my hand. It's really gorgeous. It's really pigmented as well. So yeah, so that is all the products that I have been loving at the moment. Let me know if you've tried any below, and if you have any recommendations for me to try. Love hearing them. Oh, I just want to show you one more thing that I did over the weekend, which is apparently this is what I do over the weekends now. So I made This is not makeup related or anything. It's just something I wanted to show you guys that I thought was quite fun. So this is a little pumpkin I made. Well, I didn't make it myself. It was just a plain white pumpkin. So I decided to go ahead and paint it with some nail polish that I had, some leftover nail polish. So I painted it sort of a bronzy colour and then a holographic colour over the top. So it was kind of, I've been really obsessed with watching Christine from Dermalogica at the moment. So I'm really into like my hollow at the moment. So yeah, I'm just going along with the holosexual trend. So yeah, but I've been really loving it. I think it's just a really cute little accessory. We've got it on our fireplace. So yeah, what are you guys up to for Halloween? Have you got anything planned? I don't know what we're doing yet, but I love Halloween, so I'm hoping we're going to go out this weekend and go and get some Halloween goodies to decorate the flat with, because it's just so fun, isn't it? I love Halloween. It's just a great time of year. It's unfortunate us over in the UK we don't really celebrate it that much. I'd love it if it was more of a big holiday, but yeah, I still love it anyway. So I just want to say thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed watching it and seeing what some of my current favourites are. So like I said, I'll leave everything in the description box below, all the links to the products that I've mentioned. So if you like this video, then subscribe and like below. He's making a little appearance in the background there. He's trying to get in on the video. Can I come and say hi? Can I come and say hi, Mina? He's really confused what I'm doing, but yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna go and get some lunch, go and have another coffee, and thanks guys for checking in, watching my video. I love all the likes and the comments you've been leaving, and yeah, so I'll see you in the next one.